Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with today's video introducing the stationery. This is the Staedtler 6B pencil that I'll be using for drawing, Tomes eraser to erase the extra lines, and the Posca pen to give the final outline. And today I am going to use the Staedtler Luna pencil colors. So these are the shades that I'll be using for my coloring. It's the yellow ochre, dark blue, red, orange, yellow and dark green. So I'll be using these colors to color my drawing today. Starting with the drawing now. Today I am making the drawing of a bed. So just look at the lines carefully. I am making one slanting line here. If you're not able to make these lines freehand, you can use the scale to make it. Then I'm making one more slanting line in the opposite direction. This line is longer than the first one. Now from the center point, I'll be making a standing line. One more standing line on the other side of the slanting line. And one more standing line here. This is for the base of the bed. Now again I am making a slanting line joining them. Then one more slanting line in the other direction. You can take the help of a scale to make these lines. Below that I will be making one more slanting line. So the other direction as well I am making the slanting line. Here we'll draw the legs of the bed. So to make them equal I am making the lines. After this I am making the other side of the bed. Again this slanting line is same as the first slanting line that I made. Now making one more slanting line which is same as the second slanting line that I made. So we get a box like structure here. Now for the back side of the bed I am making a standing line here. One more standing line on the other side. And then joining it with a slanting line. You can either join it with a slanting line or make it little curved. Now I am making one more slanting line here to show the mattress, and again one more slanting line just as same as the lower one. Just look at the lines carefully. All the slanting lines are in the same direction as the lower slanting lines that we have drawn before. Now making the height of the mattress. Again this slanting line is same as the lower one, the one below it. Now this is the basic drawing of the bed that we have made with the pencil. We draw the drawing with the pencil first, so that in case if there are any mistakes we can do the corrections. Now giving the details on it, I am making a blanket here. So just look at the lines carefully. Just going around the lines that I have drawn with the pencil first. A curve here. Then again a slanting line. A little detail there with another slanting line. This is just going on the top of the mattress line that we have drawn, making it go out of the bed to show that it's a bigger one in the width. A slanting line here, and then again outlining on top of the mattress line, then joining again with the slanting and a curved line on the other side. Now just giving some details of the fold here and joining with the slanting line again. Just look at the lines carefully. You will be able to draw the drawing. Just added few lines there to show the folds. For the folds, I am adding cushions here. So a little curved line, one more curved line, and joining the top line and the bottom part. The same way we'll draw the other one. If you want to give some other shape to the cushions, you can do that. You can use your creativity, you can use your imagination to enhance the drawing. Just adding few details there. Now outlining the lines that I have drawn with the pencil. Just be careful with the lines, as we don't need to outline all the lines that we have drawn with the pencil. All the pencil lines were only for our help, and we are going to erase the extra lines later on once we are done with the outline. Now just outlining the standing line for the back side of the bed, this one, and then again joining it with a curve on the top. If again you want to give some other shape here, some other design here, you can use that. Outlining the lower structure of the bed, the box of the bed. If you're not able to make the lines perfectly freehand, you can use the scale to make these lines. Now the slanting lines which are in the mattress, we are not outlining that. I hope you are understanding the drawing and you are able to draw it nicely. Do let me know in the comment section about this video. Share your views. Now we are drawing the legs, a standing line, one more standing, which is still the line that we have drawn, and now a sleeping line here. Then again the same way, just we are going at the same angle as the slanting line that we have drawn. Now again a standing line here, one more standing line here, and joining it inside, and the outer one on the slanting line that we have drawn. So we are here with the drawing of the bed. I hope the step-by-step instructions have made it very easier for you to draw. Now we are just erasing the pencil lines, all the lines that we don't need. They were only for our help. Now once we are done with erasing the lines, we'll start with the coloring. All the products that I am using in my drawing are available online, and the links for the same are provided in the video description. You can just go and check them there and share your experience about the products that you are using. Here I am using the Staedtler Luna pencil colors. So I am using the dark green color here. If you want to change the colors, that is up to you. You can change the colors, or you can do the same colors that is shown here in the video. Now I am adding a little darker tone here and taking it upwards and on the sides in the lighter tone, doing the shading in my drawing. So if you put the pressure on the color, you will get the dark tone, and as you will reduce the pressure on the color, you will get the lighter tone. You can let me know if you want me to upload a video of shading in detail. So here again I am doing the darker tone, and gradually I am just taking it to the lighter tone as by reducing the pressure on the pencil. So we are done with the green color here. We are doing the darker color at the bottom to give the depth. Now I am doing the yellow color here, so darker at the bottom of the cushion and light as I am going up. Now the same is with the other cushion. It will be darker at the bottom and light as I will be going up. If you like this video, please share it with your friends also. and like and subscribe to my channel for daily drawing videos. I am doing the orange color in the bed sheet. If you want to add some other color, you can do that. Here I am doing a darker tone, and again I will be taking it upwards in the lighter shade, and from the top also I am doing it darker to show the other side. This is basically to show the height of the mattress, so we have to do the darker tone and the lighter tone on both the sides. And again I am doing the darker shade here and taking it to the lighter tone. Now we are done with the orange color at the top part. Now the mattress is visible from this side also. So again we are doing darker here and taking it to the lighter tone as we are going up. Darker at the bottom and light as we are going up. So for the lighter tone I am reducing the pressure on the pencil, and to show the shadow of the blanket I am just putting a little darker tone below the blanket as well. So we are done with the orange color also. Now I will be giving the blue color in the blanket. If you want to change the colors, you can do it. That is up to you. If you want to add some other patterns on the blanket and the bed sheets, you can even do that. Do the coloring in one direction and do not leave the spaces when you are coloring, as it will give more smoothness to your coloring. You can let me know in the comment section if you want me to draw something specific. Any of the drawing which you are not able to draw, or if you are facing any difficulty, you can just mention the name of it in the comment section and I'll upload the tutorial for the same with all the step-by-step instructions. As you all know, I am coming up with the drawing videos every day, so if you want me to draw anything specific, just drop me a comment. I'll make it for you. So on the sides I am giving a little darker tone and lighter as I am taking it up. Now there will be a darker tone on the folding areas to show the shadow. And again around these lines I am putting a little darker tone and just merging it in the lighter shade. The technique remains the same. We have to put more pressure on the color to get the darker tone and then reduce the pressure to take it to the light tones. Now I am doing the red color in the box of the bed. So this area, to show the depth, I am just doing the darker tone, and this triangular area again I am just doing the darker tone, and for the rest of the box I am doing the darker tone at the bottom and taking it upwards to the lighter tone. And on the sides again I will do the darker tone and take it inside in the lighter tone. The same technique, dark at the bottom and light as I am going up. Dark at the bottom and light as I am going up. Darker on the sides and lighter as I am coming inside. The technique remains the same on the other side also. This video is going to be very helpful to you if you are facing a problem in making the drawing of the bed. all the step-by-step instructions makes it even more easier to draw. So here we are done with the red color. Now I am adding a brown color for the legs. So darker here, dark and light as I am going up. Again dark and lighter. I hope you liked the video. Please share your views in the comment section and like and subscribe to my channel. We are done with today's drawing. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.